Okay, Royals, the Master Suite is complete, and I am thrilled to share with you this cozy, luxurious space that I am affectionately calling the Hudson Oasis. With a cozy date night in mind, I came up with this magnificent and royal design. The theme of the tree is the Hudsons. And with that theme in mind, I cultivated and manifested this magnificent display. I am so absolutely thrilled with the outcome of the rich combination of the mints and teals, a little bit of aquas with this rich, warm silvers and charcoals. Because I couldn't decide on one shade of either, I decided to go with all of the above. I love the mixture of the textures and tones. I love the strength of the grays, the charcoals and the gunmetals, and the warmth and richness of the aquas, mints, and teals, which is where this design came to life. I love it. Everything about it screams cozy date night in. And that was my motivation. Being that this is our master suite, I wanted to keep it personal and momentous to us. Each space was carefully designed and styled with the couple in mind. This rich, opulent bedding from J. Queen is so lovely. So much, in fact, that I decided to keep it for the winter season as well. And add in the beautiful, rich hues of the blue. Because it is a tone-on-tone grays, it works beautifully with the color scheme of the gunmetals and silvers and grays. All the tones working beautifully together. From every angle, you guys, this space is amazing. I love how the tones of the tree complement the tones of the bedding, the little touches of Christmas here and there. Nothing overstated, but just styled perfectly enough to give me that warm and cozy feel for the season. No corner was left unstyled. Again, I wanted to keep the designs understated, but definitely giving a nod to the Christmas season. Because after all, that beauty in the corner is the showstopper of the room. It is absolutely exquisite. All of the rich tones. I love the mixture of all the colors. It's just so absolutely beautiful and relaxing to me. It is a wonderful way to retreat from a long, hard day. Even the nightstands got a nice, refreshing makeover. This is the king side, and so I wanted to keep it more masculine and functional at the same time, because that's important to me that we have beauty and function in all of my spaces. Here I have a plate from Home Goods, vase from Home Goods, and that beautiful deer is from QVC. The lamp and nightstands are stationary and have been here and will stay here for season after season. And as you see, it flows beautifully with the bedding. Complementing, not competing. Let's move over to the queen's side of the bedding. It is different, yet very, very much complementing the other side of the space. Here I have that same reindeer from QVC. I have these beautiful frosted picks that I've collected over seasons from Michael's at 90% off, you guys. These beautiful mercury glass aqua vases are from Home Goods. My wax warmer is from Walmart. The crystal watt clock is from Home Goods. And the coasters are by Shannon, and they're stationary, as well as the lamp and the nightstand. Again, they complement and not compete with each other. and they definitely tie in well with our gallery wall of our wedding pictures. It just, everything flows so beautifully in this space, and I absolutely love it. It tells the story of the Hudson's love, and I cannot be more thrilled with the way the space came out. It's just enough to bring a holiday cheer. On the dresser, I did the same thing. I just kept my stationary pieces and added a few of the frosted floral picks to tie in with the season. Nothing overstated. I just mixed a couple of different types of picks to bring in texture and dimension, and that was all this space needed, because again, it has to be beautiful and functional. You will often hear me say that just because you have a small space doesn't mean you can't make a big impact. I absolutely love this cute little vignette here that I created. It's strong and masculine, yet it gives a nice holiday touch. Hubby stores his miscellaneous items in the base, so it too is functional. And now, for the showstopper of the room, the focal point in the space, you guys, let's focus our attention on the Hudsons. It is a beautiful blended combination of all shades of gray, along with all of my favorite shades of blue, or some of my favorite shades of blue, shall I say. And it is the perfect nod to my love and I. We are perfectly blended together to create a harmonious union, and that is exactly what this tree is giving me. I am so in love with all of the beautiful hues that I selected for this color scheme. These items, you guys, are pieces that I already had in my collection. I simply pulled my grays from my Cowboys theme, I pulled my blues from my blue collection, and I created this amazing design. This gorgeous damask print ribbon was absolute perfection for the J Queen bedding. It complements it perfectly. And how exquisite is this teal and diamond encrusted ribbon that I have as the center piece. And let's talk about this amazing topper. It is a combination of beautiful ornaments, a lovely floral leaf design, and these gorgeous silver or platinum poinsettias. They are so absolutely beautiful. I love this combination. Your tree topper can be a combination of anything your heart desires. And because I couldn't decide on floral picks, ornaments, or something over the top, I just decided to create all in one. This tree, you guys, was just a combination of my imagination just running wild for this holiday season. All of these pieces have been curated over the years and just come together to create this beautiful, harmonious look. I have ornaments here from the at-home store. Those beautiful ombre ones are for the at-home store. My ribbon is from a store called Obsession that is no longer in business. These beautiful mint ones are from Silks of Bloom, and some are from the at-home store. All of my grays are from Silks of Bloom. I have ornaments here from Inspire Me home decor, the beautiful glass ones. I have mercury glass. Guys, I just pulled any and everything that made my heart sing for this design. And as you can see, the result is simply amazing. I am so loving the Hudsons.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. I woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home, yeah. Yes, I'm coming home to you.
If you are new here and you see what you like and you like what you see, I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And I would love to have you come along and be a part of this lifestyle journey with us. Now, to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. If you haven't already, guys, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And there you will get sneak peeks, even some footage that does not make it to YouTube on those platforms. So please connect with me over there. Guys, this is winding down to the finale of the 12 days of glam. The next spaces I have to share with you are my fun and festive outdoor designs. You guys asked for a mailbox display and you're gonna get it, along with a few other treats. So set your notification bells, click them twice, because I have some amazing things to share with you before we close out with our Christmas home tour. Now, until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and absolutely most beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.